Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting 2-3 kg of beef bones, marrow, knuckle, and a couple oxtails, because they yield gelatin and mouthfeel. Roast them if you want deeper color, or briefly blanch to remove surface impurities. Both change flavor. Place bones in a stock pot, cover with 3-4 L cold water, and add 1/4 cup vinegar to help extract collagen. Bring to a gentle simmer, skimming aggressively at the start. Once done, reduce heat so the surface only trembles, not boils. You should simmer the stock gently for 6-12 hours because slow heat pulls collagen without emulsifying fats. That creates body without cloudiness. Once the initial scum is removed and the broth is steady, add your mirepoix, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and a bouquet garni. They contribute aromatic depth without overpowering. Make sure not to boil and skim periodically. Add salt only near the end so you can control concentration as the liquid reduces. This keeps seasoning balanced. You finish by straining the stock through a fine mesh and cheesecloth to remove solids, then cool it quickly in an ice bath before refrigerating or portioning for the freezer. If you want a richer concentrate, reduce on low heat until it reaches the intensity you prefer, but make sure to add salt sparingly as it concentrates. For troubleshooting, if the stock is cloudy or greasy, reclarify using an egg white raft technique or chill it and lift off the solidified fat for a cleaner, clearer ramen base.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.